how to change cab mount bushings in a Ford F-150, 250s, and 350s. These cab mount bushings wear out, the rubber mounts come out. You got 4 of these. You got one in the core support. You'll have one in the front of the cab. You'll have one in the middle of the cab, and you'll have one at the back of the cab. There's 8 total. 4 on the left and 4 on the right. The two in the rear has access panels. I'll show you where they're at. And then 2 in the front have access panels to do it. The two in the center you can pull out. And so now we're gonna go in the Ford, and I'm gonna show you where these are at. On the passenger side of the truck, you lay your seat down, remove the jack. And if you look right down there, you'll see a nut. There's one right here. Go to the driver's side. You can see that over on the driver's side. Lay the seats down. In the front, you'll need to remove a piece of trim along the side of the truck and your kick panel. Right there is the hole, access hole nut right there. Driver's side is the same way. All we gotta do now is just get them loose. All right, everybody. So now you notice that we got the body off the frame. There's the bushing. There's one right there and down there. If you don't have a rack at your house, because we put it right on a pinch well right here and barely lift it on the body enough that we can get them out. You can use a floor jack with a wooden block. Would work just fine. Just don't go up too high. You got grounds right there. All the electrical's still up on it. You're just lifting the cab enough to get the mount bushings out and put the new ones in. Okay, so we got them out. All of them look like this. Well, let's get the part right there. No bushing. They kind of supposed to look like this with bushings in it. So these things are aggravating. These things get rusted in there over time. Between here and here, wet, rain, and everything else. Then you take this bolt that goes up. That's around where you'll see it goes up through here into a caged nut up here. Let's go. Let me see if I can show you one. Look in there where my light is. Right in there, not a very good showing of it. There's a caged nut. Yeah. And once you got that caged nut, it doesn't cage very well. It'll spin. So the best way to do it is get you a torch. We used one of those little blue things you get at the parts stores, propane ones. Heated it up real good, broke right loose. So now since we got all the old ones out, let's get all the new ones in. You got them all in, all 8 of them. Just a little bit of a job. Had to cut some of them out, but not too terrible. I would say vehicles like this one with lots of miles on them are going to be the roughest. But we got it done. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe.